Okay, today we're going to do a taste test challenge of the different Lavazza coffees here. So we've got the this one here, the Arabic, and then we've got Arabic, and then Arabic. Okay, so what's the difference? We've got full flavored with dried fruits. We've got delicate fruity notes, and we've got chocolate notes. So there we go. Dried fruit, chocolate. Let's give it a go. Okay, so this is what your pods will look like. You either get a red one, you get a blue one, and purple is strangely sort of black. Okay, let's try that. So, oh god. So here goes the red one. Put it in there. Right, here we go. I don't think I'll fill them all up and then we'll do the taste test. Okay, it's all going to look the same. Yeah. Okay, so this is what they look like. This is the red one, yeah, the chocolate, the fruit, and then we have the dry fruit at the back. Let's give them a taste. Okay, start off with the red chocolatey one. Now let's do the fruit. Okay, so now let's do the dry fruit, the blue one there. Okay, it tastes like coffee, it blows your head off. It's the one you want to go for, it's the chocolate. Red one, red one, red one, every time. Red wins. That's awful. Good day.